Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes, and I'm here with a quick video to tell you about our latest maintenance release for Dorico, version 5.1.60. This is a free update for all customers with a Dorico 5 license, including Pro, Elements, SE, and we've updated Dorico for iPad as well. You'll see the update is available when you run Dorico. There is a link at the top of the hub window, though it's probably easiest to use the Steinberg Download Assistant, where the update will appear in the My Product Download section and handle the whole installation process for you. We'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all of our new customers. We are thrilled to have you with us, and we want to do everything we can to make your transition to Dorico from Finale or any other notation software as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Now, maintenance releases tend just to include bug fixes, compatibility improvements, or performance enhancements, and you'll find the full list of those in the version history document that can be downloaded alongside the application in the places I mentioned a moment ago. However, in this case, we understood that a number of our new customers really missed the Speedy Entry note input method that they were so used to using in Finale. And while Dorico does have its own pitch before duration features, long-time Finale users have become accustomed to using the up and down arrow keys on their own to move the input pitch shadow note, rather than the input caret, as it does in Dorico. As a result, we've made it possible to remap the relevant key commands to make the behavior a little closer to Speedy Entry. Open the Preferences dialog, which you can find quickly by pressing J and starting to type the word Preferences, and select the Key Commands category. Search for the word shadow, and you'll find 4 new commands. Let's select Lower Shadow Note by step, and with the Press Shortcut field active, press the down arrow key on your computer keyboard and click Add Key Command. Dorico will warn you that this key sequence is already in use, but don't worry, we're going to remap that one in a moment, so just press OK. Let's do the same for Raise Shadow Note by step, this time assigning the up arrow key. Again, click through the warning. If you like, you can also set key commands for moving the shadow note in octaves. So that we don't lose any functionality, let's find the move up and down commands that were the ones we overwrote and reassign them to Alt or Option and the up and down arrow keys. Apply and close the dialog. Now, with note input active and pitch before duration switched on, we can move the shadow note freely up and down using only the arrow keys, and Alt up and down to move the caret to different staves. Press the number keys along the top of the keyboard to input a note of the selected pitch with specific durations. By the way, just in case you weren't aware, there is a preference at the top of the Note Input and Editing category that allows you to set pitch before duration as the default note input method. You might also wish to set the following option to let you specify accidentals, rhythm dots, and articulations after inputting a note. Please do take a moment to read through the version history document I mentioned, as it talks about all of the improvements in Dorico 5.1.60, including official support for macOS Sequoia, and how Dorico now imports system and frame breaks from music XML files by default, in order to better match the casting off of your original files. We really hope you enjoy this release, and please remember that the team and our wonderful user community are all here to help, so please do reach out to us with any difficulties you're experiencing. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.